Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Friday, January 12th. We saw temperatures last night running about 25 degrees above average for this time of year, as we have a very warm and moist air mass settling across the region that is going to help give us some rain as we go into this afternoon and this evening. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do see the main front still over the Ohio Valley, well to the west of the area, and we do see some impulses ahead of that, and that are currently impacting areas of the central and western mid-Atlantic. We do anticipate those rain bands that you can see here to remain west of the area through the late morning hours. Can't rule out a slight chance of a late morning shower, but when we get to lunchtime and beyond for the second half of the workday today, we are going to see those showers begin to impact the Delmarva and Wallops region. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here, we do see some pretty good southerly winds across the entire region this morning, helping usher in that warm, moist air mass. Currently seeing winds from the south around 12 to 17 knots, gusting to around 25 miles per hour at times. We do anticipate those winds to be just below wind advisory criteria through the morning hours, and then there is a chance of getting a wind advisory as they become more gusty with those heavier, those rain bands moving into the area this afternoon. Those rain are going to continue to stream across the just west of the area on the other side of the bay before they do begin to impact our area with some brief heavy rain possible in the afternoon hours. Taking a look at one of our short-term models here this morning, we do see we are going to be running, like I had said, those rain showers are going to remain west of the area throughout the morning hours, and then as we get towards lunchtime, they are going to start inching towards the region, and as we get to about 2 p.m., we are going to start to see scattered to widespread shower activity across the Wallops area, and we can't rule out some brief heavy rain as well when we get these showers moving across the area. As of 8 a.m., we were seeing very widespread low cloudiness, which we do anticipate to continue throughout much of the day. We are seeing some dense fog out there as well, with visibility only down to a quarter mile. We are seeing those winds from the south at azimuth 180, around 12 knots, with a very warm temperature this morning for this time of year of 52 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we do anticipate a fairly green morning here. Only threat is going to be those continued low cloudiness, and that is going to continue throughout much of the day and into tonight as well. And as we go into the afternoon hours, it is looking like a nearly 100% chance of precipitation with some brief heavy rain possible. There's also going to be a slight chance of those winds picking up to wind advisory levels, seeing about a 30 to 40% chance of that happening starting this afternoon and persisting through the overnight hours as well. Our best chance of rain is going to be from about 1 p.m. through 4 p.m., and then we should be seeing a break with just a chance of some isolated to widely scattered light showers throughout the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Temperatures are going to remain warm throughout the day, expecting a high of 58 degrees, and then those temperatures in the 50s will be persisting through the evening hours and overnight. And we are going to be seeing a brief break in the rain, like I had said, in the late evening hours, only expecting some isolated to widely scattered light showers after about 4 p.m. through midnight. But then starting around midnight through about 4 a.m., that's when we are going to be seeing the main front patch of the area, and we could be seeing another chance of some brief heavy rain with that frontal passage as well. And then as we move into tomorrow morning, we are going to be seeing those temperatures quickly plummet starting in the mid-morning hours, so we are expecting an early morning high tomorrow as temperatures will be falling throughout the day on our Saturday, and as those winds shift from more southerly to northwesterly by mid-morning Saturday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be looking at those low cloudiness throughout the entire day today. The best chance for showers and some brief heavy rain is going to be afternoon, and then we can expect those showers to lighten up just a little bit as we go into the evening hours with just some spotty showers, but we are going to continue to see those ceilings at 500 feet or possibly below, with visibilities only running around 1 statute mile or possibly less through tonight. As we get into tomorrow morning, should see those shower activity with that front move out of the area by about 6 a.m. Can't rule out a isolated lingering shower, but only looking about a 50% chance of a rain shower after 6 a.m. And then come 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'll start to see those clouds slowly break up, with ceilings rising to about 2,500 feet, and then visibility is improving as well. Taking a look at the next few days, tomorrow morning we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies, still looking at some slightly breezy winds from the northwest. Temperatures will be falling throughout the day, so we are going to be seeing our high temperature in the morning of around 49. We are going to be seeing cold temperatures move in as behind this front that we're going to be getting tonight. So, like I said, Saturday, those temperatures are going to be falling throughout the day and into Saturday night as well. So by the time Saturday night rolls around, we're going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies with a very frigid low once again of only 16 degrees, with still some slightly breezy winds as that temperature gradient remains tight as that cold Canadian high pressure builds into the area. On Sunday, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies again, looking at a high of only around 30 degrees, as we are going to be seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies with some persistent cold conditions as Canadian high pressure takes hold across the area. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We will be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.